Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and I would like to share a quick look at the tricks that would enable you all to prove your worth in this prestigious opportunity to join the largest railway network in the world. Maths has been generally regarded as scary. Notwithstanding, the students with acumen for maths, even those have to practice to gain ability to crack the tricky questions. Reading passages and excerpts from newspapers and articles help develop the quality of answers and also gain affairs on affairs of the domestic front and the world at large. Solving questions on reasoning develops the sense to gain an upper hand in the section on general intelligence. As for the final trick, the ability to develop speed and accuracy through giving mock tests is of paramount importance. For that, I would recommend the app developed by Youth for Work named as Prep Guru. So if you value the content of our video, please like, share and comment on our channel.